If you want to edit any of the content here, switch over to the Edit Content tab. And this is going to highlight page elements that you can easily edit. Like for example here for the contact section within my footer, I can change out my email address pretty easily. I'll just click on the text, then I'll enter my own email address. Once I'm done changing it, I'll click on Save. Then you'll see that text update here. And you'll also notice over here on the left-hand side, after making a change, you can click on the Undo button to undo that change. And after making a change, if something within your project completely breaks, you can click on Restore to restore back to a previous working version. And you can also use the Edit Content tab to change out images within your project as well. So I'm going to go back to the Preview tab. Then I'll click into my About page. Then I'll go back into the Edit Content tab. Then I'll scroll down here to find this image. And this is simply a placeholder image, so I want to change it out for a photo of me. So I'll click on it, click on Upload New Image. Then I'll find my custom image here and double click on it. Then I'll go down and click on Save. And you'll see here that the placeholder image is replaced. It's important to note that these changes within the Edit Content tab don't cost any credits. All the changes I just made were completely free. So basically, anything that's highlighted with this blue border in the Edit Content tab is eligible to be changed for free. However, anything you see within your project that isn't highlighted with the blue border will require credits to change. So now you can go through the rest of your project and change out all of the elements that are highlighted with the blue border and make your project feel custom to you.